What's up, Buttercup? So today is a good day to go out and earth a little. And what I mean by that is plant your bare feet in the sand, the grass, and the soil. There's actually some real health benefits to that, measurable ones. It's not just hippie stuff and metaphysical nonsense. There's actually some empirical evidence behind it all. My place of choice is going to be the beach. I just love it out here because you got the sound of the water. You hear that? Love it. The sun feels so good on my skin. Vitamin D absorption, negative, what is this, some kind of electron or whatever I'm discharging into the earth. I'm grounding. Yeah, grounding is an electrical term. That's empirical. I don't fully understand it. I just know it's there. And of course, I love the way my hair looks in the sun. It's a masculine thing of me to say, I totally realize. But every day is a good day to do a little bit of earthing, at least a few minutes a day. You know, people in their middle ages, 40s and so on, that's the most common age for people to actually suffer a clinical exhaustion because they're burning both ends of the candlestick with their kids and maybe taking care of their parents now and multiple jobs and this and that and doing nothing to make any residual and passive income to get any freedom of time whatsoever to be able to do things like this. It really goes to your mental health, even more so than your physical health. No matter how physically healthy you might be, your mental health can overpower all other forms of health. So spend some time in nature and ground and be healthy and meditate if you want to. Listen to your breath. Just anything that shuts the mind off and you stop thinking for a few minutes every day so that you can recharge. And if you don't have time to do that for at least 10 minutes, then take 20 minutes to do it. Because you're either going to choose to figure out some way to take care of yourself on a daily basis, or you're going to be forced to make time for illness down the road. It's imminent. So you might as well be the one that's in control and in charge. Most of my videos and my content talk more about, what we eat and sleep, our philosophical drivers that affects what we do and what we don't do and how we respond to what. This one's a little different, I guess, in talking about grounding, something that does have empirical evidence behind it that shows there are some health benefits, mental as well as physical. And remember this, the metaphysical and the empirical are intertwined in this experience. They have a relationship. The soul and the body, they have a relationship. You got to take care of both. It's easier for the soul to live inside of a healthy body until we pass on to the next. Anyway, very impromptu video, just feeling inspired by this. If you like this kind of stuff, I got much more on just anything, that big umbrella under health, natural healing, happiness, and financial freedom, TomBerkenmeyer.com. Just like it's spelled here on social media, TomBerkenmeyer.com. Feel free to share this. And I got thousands, literally thousands of pieces of content on TomBerkenmeyer.com. Just sift through it. I got a search engine there, YouTube playlists, blogs, recipes, healthy recipes, all kinds of stuff. Okay? Bye for now. I'm gonna go make out with the sun some more. Mwah.